Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, and I'm going to take a few minutes to share with everyone the progress that I've been making with my Google community. Just as a reminder, basically the purpose of my project was to inform the teachers about the applications and various resources that are available online for teachers to implement in their instruction. The initial progress of my project was a little bit difficult because when I did send that email out to my building principal, I did not get any responses. And what I decided to do is I actually went around the building and I spoke to some teachers, face to face, and I told them what it was. And unfortunately, a lot of the teachers are overwhelmed with a lot of the different changes that are going around and all the different demands that they have in the classroom. So I still didn't have luck with that once I met with them face to face, but I stuck to my department, which is ESL, and basically I ended up getting two ESL teachers. One of the ESL teachers has a student teacher right now, so I have two ESL teachers, one student teacher, and a regular classroom first grade teacher. And basically, they've logged on, they've gone onto my community, they've read the information that I posted on there, they've commented, made a lot of comments on different things that I have on there. This past Friday, I've been using in my classroom a lot of the Kahoot application with my students. So on Friday, I actually had two of my participants from the community join me and watch my students actually use the Kahoot application. And they really liked it. They're looking to actually set it up in their classroom and with their students. So I might be helping them out do that sometime in the future. We also managed to do one Google Hangout. Took us a little bit of a long time to connect, but we managed through it, and they were very they were very gracious for me to take the time to share this with them. And we started talking about how the purpose of doing a hangout is if you don't have a common lunchtime or a common prep time with the teacher that you really want to sit down and you want to talk about, whether it's a student or anything that you're teaching, this would be an alternative to doing it from the comfort of your own home. Once we were doing the Google Hangout, I walked them through some of the tools, not all of them. We did the screen share. We both of them actually played around with the effects, so we were having a little bit of fun with that. And just as an extension, I didn't limit myself just to building this community within my professional field, but I've been using it on a personal level too. I decided to build a community between myself and my parents that live in Connecticut. Everyone knows that I have my 8-month-old baby, and I've been doing a lot of research online, whether it's on child development or there are classes that are out there for my child to join. I just love the fact that I can put all of this in one place and we can always refer back to it and not have to search through our email for whatever link we send to one another, because that's what we've been doing in the past between my parents. Like, we find something interesting and we email each other, but then you end up with so many emails, so it's kind of not organized. So I took advantage of that, and I've been keeping up with it. My mother has joined in my community, and she's made a few comments here and there. My father hasn't gotten the chance to join in yet. I was explaining to him last night how to do it, so hopefully he'll be on board. But this is a community that I'll always have up, so we can always refer to it in the future. And that's about it, and I look forward to seeing everyone soon.